Looking for an ATV that delivers power and versatility? Meet the Massimo MSA 450F. Powered by a reliable 352cc engine, this ATV tackles any terrain with ease. Its independent suspension ensures a smooth ride, while rugged all-terrain tires provide exceptional traction. Comfort is key, featuring an ergonomic design, intuitive controls, clear digital display, and 12-volt DC port, putting you in complete command. Built for utility, it comes equipped with a 3,000-pound winch with front and rear racks, perfect for hauling gear or tackling tough jobs. Whether it's work or play, this ATV is ready. Experience all-terrain performance like never before. Four-wheel drive, agile handling, and robust power let you explore anywhere your adventure takes you. The MSA 450F, reliable, powerful, and ready for anything. Your next adventure starts here. Only from Massimo.